Hello everybody, this is my presentation. Uh, this next slide. Welcome and thank you for your coming today, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Setyajendra Wibawa. I am a PhD student at Vocational Education Postgraduate in Universitas Negeri Malang, Indonesia. In this occasion, due to COVID-19, I would deliver my online presentation in 2021 Technological and Vocational Education International Conference held by Department of Industrial Education, National Taiwan Normal University. And the title of my paper is Development of PhilEdu. PhilEdu is philosophy education, version 1. Philosophy education on ontology, epistemology, and axiology aspects based on mobile application. I am Setyajendra Wibawa and my lecturer Joko Kustono. The abstract. During the COVID-19 pandemic, this is the moment to implement asynchronous learning. The problem that occurs is that students experience difficulties in studying educational philosophy. The objective of this research to develop an Android-based application with educational philosophy material that discusses ontology, epistemology, and axiology, with the name PhilEdu as self-directed learning. This type of research is descriptive quantitative research. The data research technique used was a literature study on observation, and the research instrument used was the application use checklist. A total of 20 undergraduate and postgraduate students observed the application and 10 validators. The method used in developing this application is a waterfall which consists of feasibility study, requirement, system design, encoding, testing system, and acceptance test. The detailed result of acceptance test, efficiency, usability, cognitive absorption, quality of visual and auditory perception, ease of interaction, ease of learning to operate, ease of use acceptance tests are grouped into user responses and application validation. The validator rate more than 83.5% of media validation consisting of the quality of visual auditory perception 80%, ease of interaction 83%, ease of interaction 83%, and ease of use 85%, while user responses consist of 83.75%, efficiency 84%, usability 86%, cognitive absorption 81%, and enjoyment 84%. This implies that the philosophy edu application can provide benefits for students who learn philosophy education. Introduction. uh, three thinking about philosophy education. The first, education is an investment. Third, second, philosophy education, and third, technology support. Education is an investment in designing a better human future and is one of several factors that can increase the development and progress of a nation. The reference from Jair Berman. The government effort to improve the quality of education. The reference is from Angrist. in a country by increasing the potential of teaching staff, teacher certification, education training, and curriculum improvement from Barrett. And vocational high school, namely life skill coaching school that prepare students to work in specific field. And philosophy education. Epistemology, of the other hand, describe knowledge as in what situation knowledge is, how it is created, applied, and disseminated. Ontologically, the critical theory states that reality is reality by historical reality and is constructed through the interaction between language and an independent world. The axiological definition of legal culture is the guarantee of human rights and freedom by the state, life, health, honor, and inviolability as the highest social values. And the technology support all type of learning and teaching, and nothing today that cannot be achieved or helped by technology. Learning through self-direction can be done using the use of technology. Technology can support life, direct itself, studying outside the regular class, especially in the current COVID pandemic era. In this research, using waterfall method, the first feasibility. Feasibility is everything involved in the first stage, such as looking for ideas and understanding what need to be designed. And the second requirements, software hardware, looking for proper project completion are analyzed in the stage. And the third, system design, flow diagram of all software code to be written. And the fourth, encoding, flowchart of software coding is carried out. And the fifth, testing system, the test could begin to be used. Testing of any deficiencies in the designed software and if the software has been designed according to recorded specification. And sixth, the last stage of software development in the waterfall model, the proper execution of all the preceding steps ensure that the application match the requirement provided and most importantly ensure that the student is satisfied. This is the application mobile mockup about ontology, epistemology, and axiology. There are three menu. This is the menu of material about philosophy of education. And the last menu of developer, content creator, and corresponding author. About user response and application validation. The response about ease of use this application, 85%, ease of learning to operate 86%, ease of interaction 83%, quality of visual and auditory perception 80%, enjoyment 84%, cognitive absorption 81%, usability 86% and efficiency is 84%. The conclusion, it can be concluded that based on research of Android application with philosophy educational content, it can be used to be supplement in research making Android-based user student worksheet and knowing the student response on Android-based student worksheet in a multimedia subject and also determining the student result using Android-based student worksheet. This is the reference of Vibawa. This is the my paper before. The result of the study were validator assessment of more than 83.5% media validation consisting of the quality of visual and auditory perception, interaction, use ease of use, while user responses average is 83.75% consists of efficiency, stability, cognitive absorption, and enjoyment. This means that the field edu application can provide benefit for elementary students studying philosophy education. Okay, thank you for your watching. This is the references and thank you, CC.